This is for the unforgettable, the swift and sweet ones who hurdled history and opened a world of possible. The ones who survived America by any means necessary. This is for the unlimited, unstoppable ones, the dreamers and doers who swim across the big sea of our imagination and show us the majestic shores of the promised land. This is for the undefeated.
That book is amazing, and so is the project that we're going to do around it. When you borrow the Undefeated kit from me, you are going to use this wonderful book, which comes in the kit, for inspiration. You'll look in the book, read it, and then use the back, which has long lists of amazing, undefeated African Americans, to create something like this. This is a string of origami cranes in green, black, and red. The most predominant colors of flags in Africa and the countries in Africa are green, black, and red. So that's why I chose these colors. And look, on the wings, Arthur Ashe, Alice Walker, Billy Strayhorn. There's also green, black, and red crystals between. What comes in the kit? Let's look. Here's the kit. The book comes in the bag separately. Let's look. First thing comes in the kit is your origami paper. Now look, if you don't want to make a string of green, black, and red cranes, you don't have to. But if you want to, the first thing you see is green, black, and red origami paper, and then a selection of other kinds of papers. Here's your needle and thread so that you can string your cranes. Don't forget, I have put up how-to videos in the Perry Library under the folder Origami. So all you have to do is look there and you will see how to do all of this. Bells for the bottom of your string of cranes, should you want to put one on. Scissors. Little brass finders so that you can make your string of cranes, should you choose to make one, hang up. And the most exciting part, crystals. So all of that will come in your kit. How do you get a kit? You email Miss May at smaystein1 at pittsburghschools.org. Make sure you do it, and I will definitely drive the Biblio Subaru to your house and drop off a kit. I really hope you decide to. So excited. Blue Steel!